Motorcycle racing has been going on for, I would say, 100 years, and many manufacturers came to play in this scene. Also manufacturers that just simply made one product, but not simply, even quite complicated. That's why Hagen came into play. Since around 1958, they made some awesome shocks, and that's why we're now at one of their importers to see if we can actually mount a set on a Puch Maxi, because we're in desperate need of a replacement. Let's go.
Every course is different. Here at Hawkstone, for example, speeds of over 70 miles an hour are reached on the bumpy grass straights before going into a hill climb of 1 in 1.8.
Hey, Stijn.
Hey, good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome at Hagon Benelux. Where can I help you with?
Well, I've got a Puch Maxi, and as you can see, I'm in desperate need of a replacement.
Yeah, we can make a set of custom shock absorbers here.
Awesome.
What length do you need? Stock
Well, these are 300, and I think it might up the length a bit, the height somewhat to 310, I would say.
Yeah, that's possible. We can make everything here. What's your weight?
90?
70 kilo?
Yeah, plus 20.
Oh yeah, then you definitely need a pair of custom Hagen shocks.
Well, then I'm curious to see what you've got in stock for us.
Let's make something for you.
Awesome.
Bolger, Valentine's going down. There he goes, and very lucky to be missed.
So, what do I need?
Let's go for 310.
Yeah, sure.
And you are 90 kilo, so we need a medium damper.
So what Hagen does is something unique. Not only do they check per moped or per motorcycle what they're working with, but they also check the weight of the rider and the way it's going to be ridden.
Small and then all the way up to triple hard.
Triple hard.
That way they assemble and modify their shock absorbers to the perfect base for your ride. By choosing the dampener, available in 5 different levels of stiffness, as well as the thickness of the spring that goes over the dampener.
As I've heard and seen, it's full UK?
The assembly is here at Hagen Benelux,
Okay.
but the fabric and the fabrication is 100% in the UK.
Nice. That's some real quality then. They really look after their product. And then we'll need
Some springs.
some springs. Okay, so springs you said. We're next.
It's always a combination between damper and spring.
Yeah, and you've got a lot of those. Holy moly. Can you show me the difference, like in thickness or how strong? Or...
We can use this for mopeds and everything like that.
Yeah.
But for example, a big motorcycle, like a Harley Davidson, we use a quite big one. You don't want these on your moped.
No, then it does absolutely nothing.
You will fly.
Yeah. So which ones do we need?
For your weight, we need these two.
Okay.
They start off with a very good base that keeps the rebound at a minimal. Assembly is clean and precise. When you're not satisfied, you can still twist the dampener's base around twice to go to the 3rd level of preload on the spring. If that's not enough, or you want a slight adjustment, you can even add bushings on top. Of course, Hagen has way more shocks, mono, bigger ones, gas-filled with a beautiful cover around it. For mopeds, going all the way up to a Honda Goldwing. Different height, different length, different strength. They got them all, and you can even request them at our shop or at Hagen. With all these professional parts and options, I'm curious to see how our Puch is doing now.
Hagen shocks, baby. Look at these. And as you can see, they are stiff. You still have, of course, some space. to still bounce around, and you need that. I'm being told it's 8 centimeters at least that you gotta have between, you know, just fully extending and fully being compressed when you take a speed bump, for example. Well, look at these awesome shocks, guys. As you can see, it's a real difference. And well, we want to thank Job, of course, for this awesome opportunity to see how things are going at Hagen Benelux, at least. To see how these are manufactured, or at least assembled.
Yeah, you're welcome. It was great to make some shots, and let's make the Pug world Hagen again.
Yeah, let's show that these are actually very good to use. Compact, I would say, because most of them, when you buy some sets, it's all bulky and very big, and these are actually just elegant. They're not too big, but the difference, and especially in like the performance wise of a spring, so to say, yeah, these are awesome. So thank you very much.
You're welcome.
And, check them out via the link in bio or the link in the description, of course, for YouTube. And we'll see you next time. Ciao.